Hello beautiful, welcome back to my channel. There's a lot of newness going on here on the channel. New name, new welcome video, new hairdo. You guys like it? I'm not wearing a wig. And new products that I'm going to share with you guys right about now. Alright, so before I get started with sharing the products that I bought from the Sephora VIP Rouge Sale, I just want to say thank you to everyone who has been supporting me so far. I really appreciate it, and there's lots more goodness to come. So I don't know if it's just me, but Sephora shipping sucks. Like, it takes forever for the products to reach. Like, this was supposed to be a 3-day shipping, and I didn't get my stuff till like maybe a week after, which is not cool. That's why it actually took me this long to do this video, because I thought it was gonna come in 3 days and it didn't. But yeah, let's get into it. All right, so I got the products here. I actually got them a few days ago, and I just haven't opened the box because I knew I wanted to film this video for you guys. So we're gonna open it together and you're gonna see what I got. I actually don't remember everything that I purchased, besides one item that is actually a repurchase. But for those of you who are not familiar with what the Sephora VIP Rouge Sale is, so once you sign up for the Sephora Beauty Insider program, there's like 3, I think, hierarchies, Rouge being the top of that beauty program. So in order to get to Rouge, you have to be vain like me, spend over $1,000 within a calendar year, and you get a lot of benefits to it, like free makeovers, invites to special events, and a lot of other good stuff, and of course discounts. So I use my discount. You get 20% off of your entire purchase when you order during that week of the Rouge Sale. So now that you have that information, go ahead and sign up because you need to. All right, so just so you guys know, I did not spend $1,000 one time. I usually go into Sephora with a budget, and it's usually no more than $100, which is actually the budget that I set for this purchase. So the first item that I purchased was definitely a need. I got the Benefit Goofproof brow pencil in the shade number 5. Now, I've purchased this before. I actually took a break from purchasing this because I wanted to try out like more affordable brow products. So I tried out the Wet n Wild, I tried out the NYX, but I just have to come back to this because it just does a better job compared to those. And yeah, it was just time to just re-up in this. So that's the first item. Oh, and just in case you're wondering what I'm wearing on my lips, I'm wearing NARS Don't Stop Power Matte liquid lipstick. I think that's what it is. And I did the inner lip with Sephora Collection Indian Pink. So there's a little lip combo for you. I love it. All right, so the next few items are all skincare, and that is what my focus was. And you would think, by the way, that with all this money that I'm spending, that my face will look a little bit like better. Like, I'm breaking out on my jaw, on my chin, on my forehead. It's just a mess. But so the next product that I got was actually an eye cream, my Ole Henriksen Banana Bright eye cream, finished. And I wanted to try something else because why not? So I'm trying the Sephora Hyaluronic Acid Brightening Eye Cream. It hydrates and depuffs, and the ingredients are natural origin. So I just wanted to try this out. I like the packaging, the blue, white, and pink. I think it's so cute. I actually tried it out in the store recently. Let me see. It smells like an eye cream. It is very creamy. I like the consistency of it. I'm not gonna put it under my eye right now, but because I'm wearing makeup, that won't make any sense. But this is what I got. So guys, I break out a lot, so I'm always willing to try new products. So this, I actually recently purchased some of these items, I think back in the summer. I'm still using them, not using a couple, but I have a video coming up with that, and I'm gonna share my thoughts on those, so stay tuned for that. But I am trying out this one. This is from the Ordinary brand, and I can't pronounce that. Niacinamide 10% with zinc 1%. So this is supposed to help with my blemishes, so fingers crossed that it works. All right, so when I heard about the Sephora VIP sale, this was the first on my list, the Koli Aveeno Perfect Serum. I bought it last December. It lasted for, I think, maybe 4 or 5 months. But it worked. It worked on my skin. It helped with my hyperpigmentation. And then I think after that, that's when I noticed my skin started to break out and the scars were staying there. So this was definitely worth the repurchase. It originally retails for like $79, but of course 20% off. And why not? So yeah, I'm happy that I repurchased this because I know it works. At least it works for me. Let me know if you've used this product before and how it worked for you, if you saw results quickly. It doesn't give you like results like right away. You have to use it over time, but it really did work for me, and I need help for my hyperpigmentation for sure. All right, and the last product that I got from the sale is also from Koli. It's their instant foaming cleanser, and it has moisturizing grape and purifying sage. It's actually a soap-free cleanser, and it's said to help to restore the natural balance of your skin and radiance. So I definitely need to restore some balance to my skin and to help my skin to glow more, because right now it's very dull under this makeup. All right guys, so that is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you participated in the Sephora sale as well, and what items were you focused on. As you can see, my purchases were more focused on skincare, and so yeah, I am on a journey to clear, smooth, radiant skin. So I gotta go through the steps and emotions to get there. Again, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button so I know you liked the video, and leave a comment. So that is it. I will see you in the next one. Bye.